Taught across 8 modules by a site reliability engineering specialist, this course offers a comprehensive introduction to SRE. You will start with the framework's key principles and core elements before moving on to how SRE relates to other frameworks. The course also features a review module, as well as a wrap-up module to help students with retention. Once you begin training, you will have access to over 3 hours of course material. Good e-learning also provides free course trials and resources for further SRE training. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go, wherever you are. Learning tips are included to help you remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course, and you can request a free exam voucher when you are ready to sit the official exam. You'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment, where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.